Hi and welcome to my workshop. You are watching casualdiy channel and my name is Thomas. This is an update about a giveaway that I've done a couple of weeks ago, so check it out. As you know, a few weeks ago I've done a giveaway for my 2,000 subscribers on YouTube. Unfortunately, the main prize, which is the sliding mitre saw from Evolution, well, it needs to be re-rolled basically again, as the person that won it initially is outside of EU. Hence, we needed an update video on this, and obviously we need to draw another winner. Fingers crossed this time it will be somebody from the EU, so I don't have to keep on re-rolling the main prize. But let's head out to the PC and let's have a look who the random.org will select as the winner of the Evolution Sliding Mitre Saw R210 SMS. Let's have a look.
Okay then, so the website is random.org to select our winner. 1 out of 78 and the number's 46. Alright, let's head out to the to my YouTube, the original YouTube video with all the comments. Obviously we'll scroll at the bottom and going up and looking for the 46 comment. And there we are, Click Woodwork. Congratulations, you are the winner of our 210 SMS sliding mitre saw. Let's check it out. Okay, he's got a YouTube channel as well. Look at that, that's awesome. Right, a bit of description there. Okie dokie. I'm gonna send you an email confirming that you've won. I can see you've got some really cool videos here. There you go. My subscription is now yours, and I hope everybody else will do the same to help you out with your YouTube channel, as it looks really cool.
Congratulations to the winner, Click Woodwork. As you can see, he also has got a YouTube channel, so yeah, help him out. Subscribe to his channels. As you can see, he's got a few quite an interesting videos. I'll bet that will help him as well. So Click Woodwork, whoever you are, if you are within the EU, please get in touch as soon as possible to claim your reward. And as always, guys, thank you so much for watching, and thank you for having me on this journey of woodworking I'm on. And yeah, please support my channel as you do at the minute, and I hope to see you on my 5k giveaway really soon, but it will only happen with your support. So thank you for your time, and I'll see you on my next woodworking video. Till then, take care.